Hello everyone. Oh, I'm recording again my second video. Hey. No, my name is Momenko and I'm playing Lucky Block Race. Rage Alexa Unspeakable. They play this map. Preston 2. They are mine. They are mine. What? I'm their fan. Preston. Back Row Jet. Unspeakable Gaming. Rachel Alexa like that. Check out their channel. I'm fan of I'm fan of the I'm really bad at English. I'm not in UK, I'm other country. And my skin is of course Rachel Alexa William. We are playing Lucky Block Race. This add-on is replace Lucky Blocks with Big. Wait a minute. I did it with the add-on. Wait, I will right. Okay, we are right back here. Now we accept the results back. This is under chest, of course. There. And now, start. Lucky block race, of course. I'm bad at English. Again, forgive me. Race, this is race, but I have no friend. I'm like some of you guys, not signed in the Xbox Live. I'm not lying. Watch this. See it? I'm playing in PC. Start now. This replace pigs. In first, there will be nothing in here. In that waterfall, you see right? There will be start lucky blocks. I'm really bad at parkour. Forgive me. Oh, of course. Bye. Have a beautiful time. Wrong way. I'm not. Am I really set up the mod? I'm so clumsy. I didn't knew it. I'm so clumsy. There's no spawn point. There is nothing spawn point. Of course. Wait. We will start from this. I'm not cheating. We will start back there. A red. I'm testing. This work? Of course, it works. Okay, get back here. Of course, I'm cheating. Sorry. I'm not spawn boy though. I told you. There will be no effect on this lucky block. The effect will start at the water. Okay. You guys will accept. I'm very bad at parkour. Okay, run. I'm playing in 1.8. The glitchy 1.8. No. What version you playing? Comment down below. Okay, I'm making it. I'm doing jobs. Okay. What the? I'm doing some job. Okay. I was spawn boy. I will spawn one here. Please. Please. Please, guys. Please. I'm such a newbie. Slash SPAW1 spawn POINT point. Spawn point. Okay. What the? Impossible jump. Impossible. Oh. Okay. I found a stadium. How? How? Where? Where's the shulker? Oh no, Ruston. Oh. Really? There's a shulker somewhere. There's a flippin' shulker. In this mod, the swimming is such a glitch. See, when I'm in water, it's so black out. Is my PC or I'm this the mod or on my PC? Something wrong. What is that? Oh, X villager. Oh, stick. Of course. Where's the villager go? I don't want to swim. Die. Okay, I got some moves. We're doing some business. Huh. That's not cheating. I'm genius, right? Glitchy one way. I'm starving. Nope, I'm not starving. Okay, more room. I'm so scared. Oh, flippin' shook. What do you want to do? I'm PvP master. What do you want to do? What do you want to do about that? Huh? Please, Infinity one. Flip. Infinity, yes, Infinity. Oh, wait a minute. These are pixel. Yes! I don't need such an anti-eye. What the? Okay. Wait. Whoa. At last I got a sauce. Not pickaxe. Not a wooden hole. No! Sauce, dude. Flippin' sauce. Really, dude? Pain of trueness. Wooden sauce is a better too. My leg. Finally. When you get your friends, this is the PvP arena where you guys fight. In this video, I'm doing something. I'm doing like this. You know them, right? Oh, I don't want to die. Okay, we're doing some business. Haha. Sucker. Bye, sucker. What is this? Oh, I see. I'm Bowmaster. 3 sis. That's not a 3 sis. 3 sis. Forget it. Villager. Die. protection one. Of course, this projectile protection. One protection I love. I love protection. What is this? Oh, a new ball. Power one. Stupid. Stupid. Oh! Oh! What the hell? What the hell was that? I'm breaking. Stupid. Stupid. Okay. Only 2 rows, please. I bet I will not dead. Die! This is a speed test. Hex. He's incredibly powerful on the land. I'm glad I'm in the water. Sheep, of course. Bow. I bet you I will not dead. I will go to the pub. I will only whack them with my stick. No Amora. I will not dead. I bet you guys. Not bad. Like that. If I didn't die, hit the subscribe button. If I die, hit that like button. LOL. Guys, what the hell? Hashtag no haters. Okay. Hey. Whoa! No. Oh, I got under press. Oh. Whoa! A diamond sword. I promise to have no Amora. But I will keep this. Diamond swords in my hand. I hate harming potion. Hey, Elytra. Elytra is not a Amora. Hey! Oh! Holy! I'm such a lucky man. I didn't die. You guys will hit the like, subscribe button. Okay? It's a deal. You guys promise. Oh no! I will eat my golden apple just in case. Why can't I eat my golden apple? You can't eat a golden apple. No man. I'm not dying. I'm not dying by the water. Haha, you foolish. Haha. Piston, nope. You're doing some business. At the end, I will not die. You guys will hit that subscribe button. Like Preston say. that like button and hit the subscribe button. Ha. No, 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 no. Ha! Newbie hacks. Fall off. You guys see it, right? Extremely fast. I will not fall off. I will not fall off. What the heck? Oh, come on, man. I'm building a nice old fort. I will not die. What the? Oh! Glitchy! I'm not cheating. Guess what will be my third beat video. Oh, I don't want to go back at the. If I don't die, you guys promise it. You guys will hit that subscribe button. Nice old fort. Ah, flip. Okay, I'm not using my move. Ha! Ha! Hit that subscribe button! Okay, guys. Promise is a promise. Hit that like button. I want to see something. I see something there. What is that? I have a elytra. Let's get it there. Come on. We have a diamond sword. What? Why did we not die? Feather falling foe. Of course. What is this? A throne? Haha. I am a king. Oh. Oh. Nice. Now we're all the way back here. We're going all the way back there. Oh, wrong way. No, 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 no. So many mobs. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Of course. What am I doing? Annabelle. We pray. There's no creeper wrong. Die, creeper. Ha! Stupid. No. No. What I want to do is spider. I have the dinosaur. What is this for, dude? My third video will be. I will not have. Let's wrap it up, guys. Bye.